Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the WuayMiy USB-C rechargeable Roku TV remote replacement. A universal remote designed for TCL, Hisense, ONN, and several other Roku TVs. If you're tired of constantly replacing batteries or searching for the right remote, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. From the moment you unbox it, this remote feels sleek and lightweight. Measuring 5.6 by 1.7 by 0.55 inches and weighing just 1.76 ounces, it's small enough to handle comfortably but still feels sturdy in your hand. Its ergonomic design ensures that extended TV sessions won't leave your hand cramping or uncomfortable, which is a common problem with heavier remotes. One of the standout features is the built-in rechargeable battery. Using USB-C charging, it eliminates the need for disposable batteries completely. You simply charge it using the included USB-C cable, and you're ready to go. This not only saves money over time but is also an eco-friendly option, which is a huge bonus for anyone looking to reduce waste. Compatibility is straightforward. This remote is specifically designed for Roku TVs, meaning it works with brands like TCL, Hisense, ONN, Element, Sharp, and RCA. However, it's not compatible with Roku streaming sticks, Express, Ultra, or any other Roku boxes or players. That means it's perfect if you have a Roku TV, but it won't work for standalone Roku devices. Setting up the remote is a breeze. There's no pairing or programming required. Once charged, it works right out of the box. This plug-and-play simplicity makes it ideal for anyone who wants a hassle-free experience without diving into complicated setup menus. The remote comes with 6 dedicated shortcut keys for quick access to popular streaming apps. These include Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Disney+, ATV+, and YouTube. Switching between apps is smooth and instantaneous, making binge watching or hopping between platforms seamless. It also has volume and mute buttons, giving you full control over your viewing experience without needing to reach for another remote. Range is another strong point. The infrared technology allows for control up to 32 feet, so you can adjust volume or change channels from anywhere in the room. Whether you're lounging on the couch or across the room, this remote responds reliably without lag or missed commands. Construction-wise, the remote is made from durable, medical-grade ABS plastic. It feels premium for a replacement remote and is designed to withstand daily use without showing wear and tear too quickly. The black finish is sleek and modern, blending well with most TV setups. In summary, the WuayMiy USB-C rechargeable Roku TV remote replacement is a lightweight, ergonomic, and eco-friendly alternative for Roku TV owners. With no batteries to worry about, instant app shortcuts, and reliable infrared control, it streamlines the TV experience while looking good and feeling comfortable in your hand. It's a solid option for anyone looking to upgrade from a standard battery-powered remote to something more convenient and modern. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and rechargeable solution for your Roku TV, this remote checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next in-depth review.